Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about forex trading versus stock trading. Okay, now forex and stock trading are two of the most popular financial markets, right? But they work quite differently. Forex trading involves exchanging currencies, okay, while stock trading involves buying shares of companies, right? So one major difference is trading hours. For example, Forex operates 24 hours a day during the week, right? But then stock markets have specific opening and closing times. Another difference is liquidity, okay? Forex is the largest financial market in the world, all right, which means it usually has higher liquidity and tighter spreads, especially on major pairs, all right. Stocks, on the other hand, are influenced heavily by company performance, all right. Stocks are influenced heavily by company performance, things like earnings reports, management decisions, and industry trends. Okay, so Forex is more influenced by macroeconomic factors like interest rates, inflation, and global events. All right. Leverage is also typically higher in Forex, which can increase both potential gains and risks. So, which is better? Actually, it depends on your preference. Okay. If you like global macro analysis and flexible trading hours, Forex might suit you. If you prefer analyzing companies and long term investing, stocks might be more appealing. Okay. The key takeaway is both markets have opportunities, but they require different approaches. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.